So we are doing exercise number 6.1, Pure Maths 2, Edexcel IAL. Okay. And this is my question number 5. Are you with me? They're telling us that given that theta is an acute angle, express in terms of sine theta. Okay. I have minus sine theta and I want to express in terms of sine theta. I hope you're with me. I have
Yeah.
a diagram CAST. I know my sign is going to be positive where? My sign is going to be positive
Second
in
quadrant.
these two quadrants. Yeah,
Yeah.
I hope you're with me. I have CAST. My sign is going to be positive in the above two quadrants. I want to express sine of minus theta. If I am going clockwise, means I am positive. I'm going in the positive direction.
Yeah.
But if I go anti-clockwise, that is the other direction, I represent negative angles.
Hmm.
So sine minus theta would be somewhere in this quadrant, sine is negative.
Yeah.
Now remember, I know that my sine is always around the y-axis. So I can draw one line over here also. But would this be theta?
Uh, yeah.
It will be 180 plus theta.
Yeah.
Okay? So this is going to be 180 plus theta. So the minus theta would be over here. Okay? Try the next one. Yeah. So this is your minus theta.
Hmm.
The sign is negative in this quadrant. This is the first, second, third, and fourth quadrant. It's negative in the fourth quadrant and
Yeah.
over here. But your theta is an acute angle. Okay? Whenever it is a negative, otherwise we normally go clockwise.
Yeah.
But whenever we have a negative angle, I would go in the anti-clockwise direction.
Hmm.
If I'm going in the anti-clockwise direction, this would be my negative theta. Yeah?
Makes sense. Yeah.
Okay. But I also know that sine is reflecting around the y-axis. So I will have one negative over here also. Sine theta is negative here also.
Yeah.
Okay. But now you listen over here. If theta is an acute angle, this is what? This is theta, the negative theta. But if I do over here, this will become 180 minus theta.
Yeah.
Okay. So 180 minus theta is not what I'm looking at. I'm not looking at 180 minus theta, right? I'm only
Yeah.
looking at sine minus theta. So only this angle I'm looking at. Okay.
Yeah.
Try the next one.
Okay.
So we're now
So
doing the
for
second one. It is pi plus
yeah.
theta.
Hmm.
Okay. Can you give
Pi
me
plus
just
theta.
all the angles where we'll get pi? This is
Pi
0.
is 180.
This is pi by 2. This
Hmm.
would be pi. Yeah. If you don't
Yeah.
understand like this is 0. This is 90. This is 180. Okay.
Yeah.
Pi plus theta.
Pi plus theta is going to be in the third quadrant.
Pi plus theta.
So yeah, it's
So
going
this
to
is
be
pi plus theta. So I would, yeah, tell me.
the line is pi plus theta, and to get the acute angle, we could do uh 180 pi plus theta minus 180, which gives us theta.
No, dear. This is pi plus theta, right?
Yeah.
I want the acute angle around the x-axis. So this would be my acute angle around the x-axis.
Yeah. So pi
I will
plus
say
theta minus pi.
pi plus theta is equal to Is the sign positive over here?
Minus.
It's minus. So it is equal to minus sine theta.
Yeah.
Okay. I want to know the acute angle, the equivalent acute angle of these angles. What are they asking us? They're asking us the equivalent acute angles of these angles. So the equivalent acute angle of sine pi plus theta would be minus sine theta.
Yeah.
Okay, go to the next one. Tell me, where will I have 360 minus theta?
360 minus theta is going to be in the fourth quadrant.
Okay, so this is 360 minus theta. I am looking at this
Yeah.
acute. So I would say sine
Minus sine
360
theta.
minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Yeah,
Yeah. Mm.
let's go to the fourth one. Come on, fourth one, D1.
180 plus theta, the whole minus.
Okay. Hmm. It is minus 180.
Minus 180 plus minus theta.
Okay. If I look over here, this line is 180 plus theta,
Yeah.
and this line is 180 minus theta.
Yeah.
Okay. Now tell me, how would you go about it?
So the
Okay. Understand one thing. It's a negative angle. Is it a negative angle? Is this a negative angle?
yeah,
Okay. If it is a negative angle, will you go clockwise or are you going to go anti-clockwise?
anti-clockwise.
So I will go anti-clockwise and I'm going to stop at 180 plus theta line.
Yeah.
Okay. So if I'm going anti-clockwise, I'm not going this way, but rather I'm going this way.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to go this way. So it is going to be 180
Yeah.
plus theta.
Hmm.
Okay. This is 180 minus theta for my clockwise. But since I'm going anti-clockwise, I will start from here. I'll come over here, I'll come over here, I'll come over here, I'll come over here. This is 180. 180 plus
Yeah.
theta. Okay. So since I'm starting from here, going up till here, I'm going in the anti-clockwise direction. So this represents the acute angle with the x-axis for minus 180 plus theta. Yeah. So minus 180 plus theta is equal to sine theta because it is in the second quadrant and sine is positive in this quadrant.
Yeah.
I hope you understand this.
Yes.
Okay, fine. The next part, are you still doing it?
Sine minus theta plus sine minus pi plus theta.
The E part.
Hmm.
Okay. It is minus pi plus theta. Come on, this is 0, 90, 180, and 270. I hope you're with me. So
Yeah.
this is pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm looking at minus pi. Am I looking at minus pi?
Yeah.
I'm looking at minus
So
pi plus.
negative.
So I will go in the
So
opposite direction,
anti-clockwise.
anti-clockwise. So I'll write the anti-clock direction. So this would be minus pi by 2 and this is going to be minus pi. I go from here, I start from here, I start from here, I come over here, it's minus pi.
Yeah.
Yeah, minus pi plus theta.
So sine theta.
Hmm. So sine minus pi plus theta is equal to sine theta. I hope you're with me.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Which sine theta? Plus or minus?
Plus sine theta.
Okay, fine. So this one over here, which they've given over here, na, this is wrong diagram. The E part. Are you with me?
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Draw 180 minus theta again. Okay, minus 180 plus theta. Okay, let's do it again. This would be 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2. And if I go in the negative direction, it's minus pi. So this would be 0, minus pi by 2, and this is minus pi. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Minus pi plus theta. I'll start from here, anti-clockwise. I go over here. This is minus pi.
Yeah.
If I go further up, it would become minus pi minus theta.
Minus pi minus theta. Why is that?
Okay. Minus 3 minus 1 gives me minus 4.
What?
Tell me minus 3 minus 1 will give you what?
Minus 4.
Minus 4. That means it adds up, right?
Yeah.
Sign of minus.
Minus what?
It adds up with a sign of minus. Minus 3 minus 1 is going to give you minus 4 and it is adding up with a sign of minus.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's rewind it, redo it. Minus 3 plus 1. What will
4.
this give?
Minus 4.
How will this give you minus 4?
Oh, my bad. Minus 3 plus 1 will give me minus 2.
It is going to give you minus 2. Now let's keep this concept in mind and start. Okay. If I have minus pi plus theta, this will give me a lower value or higher value.
A lower value.
And if I have minus pi minus theta, this is going to give me a lower value or a higher value.
A higher value.
A higher value. Now let's check. I have minus pi. I go from your anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction, I hit touch minus pi.
Hmm.
If I go up, it would be minus pi minus theta.
Yeah.
But I have minus pi plus theta.
So we need to draw a line in the third quadrant.
So we need to draw a line in the third quadrant. Very good. So now, if I'm doing this, I hit over here. When I hit over here, it is minus pi. But when I go up, it would become minus pi minus theta. But I am looking at minus pi plus theta. So I'll come down. So my theta is going to lie in the third quadrant. And in the third quadrant, my sign is negative. Right?
Yeah.
So my minus pi minus theta, it is going to be minus sine theta. I hope you're with me.
Miss, what happens to the minus pi?
So that is the question, right, darling? We want an equivalent acute angle of the given angle.
Yeah.
So it is minus pi plus theta is equal to what acute angle? So minus pi plus theta is equal to minus sine theta.
Okay.
Okay, let's try the F1.
Sine minus 360 plus theta.
I'll switch to your screen, okay? I'll see what you're doing.
Okay.
I'm waiting for you to do.
Yeah, miss, I'm thinking.
It's minus 360, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you put all the minus signs, please. Minus 9, minus 90, minus 180, minus 270, minus 360.
Yeah.
Okay, how did you go about?
Miss, oh, okay. So it's going to be this one because plus gives us a lower value. So
Yes,
the answer is going to be minus sine theta.
plus sine theta.
Oh, yeah. So plus sine theta.
Okay, just look at my screen. It
Yeah.
is minus 360 plus theta. Okay, so that means
Hmm.
I'm going to go in the anti-clockwise direction.
Yeah.
If I'm going in the anti-clockwise direction, I start from 0. I hit the 90, I hit the 180, 270, and 360.
Yeah.
Okay. If I go further down, it would be 360 minus 360 minus theta.
Makes sense.
But I am looking at minus 360 plus theta. So I go in the anti-clockwise direction. I hit the 180, I hit the 270. I go to the 360. I stop. I'm looking at minus 360 plus theta. So I will go up and I make this line over here. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's minus 360 plus theta. I'm looking at the acute angle with the x-axis. So this becomes my cast, CAST. In this quadrant, all angle is positive. So it is equal to sine theta. I hope you're
Yeah.
with me. Okay. Now do the G, H and I.